You can do anything with chat, and today you will learn from basics to advanced. De textos simples a dietas completas. First, you must create your account, website link in description.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my ass.
Put your number. And that's it, account created. In this block you can ask literally anything to the chat and it will answer you. If you don't know what to ask, go to the Open website where they have several suggestions, link in the description.
Don't wanna overthink it, babe.
Be more specific in your questions to get better answers. Learning this, you can use ChatGPT for anything, do jobs, learn things, and also earn money online. The questions you ask are stored in sections and you can edit their name and create new conversations.
Some kind of butterfly.
Let's say I ask a question 10 ways to make money online and I don't like it.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Just click above and edit your question.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
You can ask for a more specific explanation for the answers, and you can also select one of them and ask for a more detailed explanation.
Let's be just my mind. Oh.
If you want to change to a dark theme, just select below. E se você quiser uma versão mais detalhada do ChatGPT, pode entrar no playground do OpenAI, link na descrição. Aqui você pode alterar o texto, verso, número de caracteres, temperatura e diversas outras funcionalidades.